started this quarter off at 2.75%.
Holy
Daniel.
God.
I don't think he's
Daniel.
January.
Oh
Can
my
you
God.
answer us?
Daniel.
Daniel.
Call Mika.
Oh my God.
You call Daniel on his cell. Call Daniel on his cell.
Oh,
How do we turn this feed off?
shit.
Wow.
We can't.
Oh, hell no.
Daniel. Oh my God.
While Zoom and other meeting platforms may be easy and inexpensive for most to use, they are all far from the level of production professionalism necessary for companies and private presentations. Even when COVID-19 subsides, team meetings, corporate meetings, board meetings, single and multi-site conferences, speaking engagements, educational series, and much more will be produced and distributed virtually. That means a level of production quality and consistency the standard consumer platforms simply cannot match. Entourage Media is now the exclusive agency home for our patented and proprietary Virtual Master Control. Your location becomes the studio, and you can sit back and focus more on your meeting than having to change cameras, add graphics, and be certain no one in the frame has anything objectionable or distracting in the background. Oh sure, you can still hold meetings with Zoom and their related platforms, but what we do, you cannot do with them. Let's begin by noting we don't use PowerPoint or Keynote. We produce for you the highest quality elements similar to network television broadcasts. During the presentation, as we have worked with you and your team for a script and production that takes into account every detail of the presentation, you don't have to do a thing except focus on your message, the critical content, and the seamless interaction with your guests, your fellow speakers, and of course, the viewers. We add in all the video and audio, edited and tailored to your program. We add full screen graphics, charts, stats, lower third graphics, and other playback elements as needed. We add your video animations, or we have our in-house animation team produce customized graphics and elements. We provide, where called for, the inclusion of commercials, advertising spots, and promotional messages designed as part of sponsorship packages or to provide awards, discounts, special purchases for consumers, even prizes. We bring in your fellow panelists up to 4 at a time, on command, and as part of the script. When in conversation, we switch between panelists so that only those who are speaking are actually on the screen. We deliver your content simultaneously to all major social media platforms or record everything in-house for private distribution of your choice. We provide complete post-program editing services, polishing the finishing product for upload and distribution on your website and on all social media, including audio podcasts. Every show is eligible for transfer to audio only, thus maximizing the audio reach. We provide the post-editing to manage your event into chapters and shorter clips, perfect for Twitter and Facebook promotion. We also provide the uploading of these elements to your preferred platforms. We provide a completely secure server system where all you and your guests need to do is click on a link. We take it from there. No software download, no membership, no additional charges. We provide the means to broadcast your program on a private and secured line where only those provided passwords may access the content. And while we understand the desire to have one individual act as host, we also provide Emmy Award-winning hosts as the face and moderator of your presentation. We are your master control, the executive producer, director, technical director, audio and support staff rolled into one seamless central location. Public access or private viewing, we do all the legwork and the coordination. Instead of old-fashioned satellite media tours, we are the master control for virtual media tours that can be delivered to a single source or a wide audience. We are the leaders in virtual original programming for everything from reality shows to documentaries. We even produce hybrid audio-video books, where one production is distributed to all podcast platforms and provides for reading directly into the eyes of your audience. And Entourage Media is one of the leading public relations and marketing agencies in America. Where needed, we provide full promotional services, contact and pitching to major news agencies and virtual platforms, and representing you, your company, your product, and your brand as public relations agent and booking specialist. The future is here. The Virtual Master Control is at your disposal. Call or contact now for a free consult and demonstration of what Entourage Media can do for you, providing quality, consistency, and a level of unmatched professionalism.